Welcome back. Today we are going to see how to use snipping tool, the inbuilt app from Windows 8 to capture a screenshot. So go to search, type here snipping tool and click here. The small window comes. Now if you just click here, you will see four options. By default, rectangular snip, then you have free form snip, window snip and full screen snip. So rectangular snip will capture rectangular shape as we select by our mouse. Free form snip will be zigzag or random shape, whatever we select by our mouse. Window snip will be capturing one particular window, and full screen obviously is the capture of full screen, the full screen on your laptop. So now let's see how rectangular snip works. I'll just click on this new rectangular snip and so I've captured this, and as you can see, the rectangle which I've dragged and drawn has been selected. The moment you leave the mouse, this window appears and the rectangular part is captured as a screenshot. Now the wonderful feature of this app is that you can further edit this screenshot. Now as you see here, you can save the snip or copy it, or you can send the snip somewhere, or you can first edit it. You can add something. Pen options are given here. You can use red pen, or you can use blue pen, black pen, or customize the color, any color for the pen. So I'll select here green, lime I'm selecting, and then I'm using medium point pen, then round tip pen, and say OK. So whatever I draw like this over here, you can use it as a editing function. Suppose I don't want this, then I can use the eraser. Very easy to erase. This is the highlighter. You can highlight, and once your editing is over, you can save the file, save as. By default, it goes to this PC pictures folder, and you can save it. So that's how we have used the snipping tool to capture a rectangular image, a rectangular screenshot from the desktop. Now we're going to see the second type of shape, that is the zigzag shape. So just go here, click new, and again you get this window. Then now here you go to free form snip and draw Many a times you need to have this thing also, random shape. So go here, freeform snip, cut this part. See, I've collected this part, and this is the image which has been captured. Now again, in this window, I'm going to edit it as I want. So I will edit. I may use red pen, and then I can draw something here, and then I'll say the file as save as, I say capture to, and I'd say this file. So this is a very interesting feature about this zigzag shape. You can select the random shape, you can select, and you can have the screenshot of that same. Next part is we'll go to the next type of shape which we can select. So you can go to search again, type again snipping tool, and select window snip. Now when you go to window snip, you have to particularly take a screenshot of one whole window. So before going here, you have to select that window. Now I'll just open one HP window in my laptop. So HP Media Suite. This is the window which I have opened. And I am selecting it. And I'm going to snipping tool, and I'm saying window snip. So as you can see, this whole window is captured. And now again I will edit the file if I want in any way. If I don't want, I won't edit. I may do like this, and then I will say file, save as, capture 3, and it gets saved. Now the last shape which can be had. Now I'll just minimize this. You can go directly from here also to the new shape, or you can again go to the search, then again snipping tool, and now we are going to take full screen snip. When you take full screen snip, the full screen whichever is there on your laptop, it will be captured, and you can save that same thing. Now for example, this is a smooth raw window which is there on my screen, and I'm going to capture full screen, and here you see the full window is captured. Full screen is captured. Full screen is captured, and then same way you can go and save file as, save as, give some name, capture 4, and the full screen is saved. So that's how we have seen to use snipping tool to capture different forms of screenshots.